Guys, good evening. Today is 23rd of November 2021. And right now it's about 5:56 p.m. and I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst and definitely I love applying physics and math in stock market. I'm thrilled to see the results. Hope you are following me on Twitter. Hope you're following me on Telegram. If you're following me on Telegram, I have given a trade. Even on Twitter, I have given a trade. Raymond's, right? At above 532, we had given for a buy. And it touched 550s, 575 and 600. And mind you, this is an intra, you can do intraday trade in this. Now the last two targets are left. Let's see tomorrow or the day after, they will be done, right? I have given Glenmark for a buy. Glenmark, I gave a buy at 478. Have a look at Glenmark. Where does it stand today? What high did it make? I'll just show you so that you understand, how important for us to understand the market's move, right? It made a high of 528, right? Even if you don't capture the whole move, you will at least not hit this, your trade will not hit the stop loss, right? That's a beautiful move Glenmark has given, and rather it is it's the topmost gainer today. It's the top gainer today. It's not the it's the top gainer today with 10.1111. It is the top gainer. Even Bsoft I have given. Bsoft I have given to our members. Our entry was about 472. And look at the move that it has given from 472 to 500 plus, right? That means almost like 30 points in a day, and these are all future stock, right? So I am not going to continue अभी आज मैं options के ऊपर वीडियो नहीं बना रही हूँ, but कल वाल में मैं किसी दिन पक्का बनाऊंगी, कल या Friday को. Tomorrow is Wednesday, na? So I'll make it on Thursday or maybe on Friday. So what I'll do, I'll just analyze Nifty's chain, option analysis, and then we will go to the stocks that I've filtered for you. So if you notice, there have been call unwinding at these levels, right? Just see here at 17,400 and 17,450, there has been a call unwinding, right? Although there has been huge call writing happening at 17,500. As I told you, the 500 marks are very, very important in Bank Nifty, even in Nifty. What is the reason behind it? You should know about that. If you go to the long-term contracts, right? If you go to the December or the December contracts, you go to the December contract, you will see that trading is majorly happening in the 500 contracts, right? See here. There's 41,291 contracts at 18,000, right? And 17,500, there are 26,000 contracts, right? So these 500 multiples are very important as far as the Nifty is concerned. Even Bank Nifty for that matter, you will find a lot of liquidity in the far off contracts at multiples of 500. So if you notice here, this is at 38,000, right? This big number is at 37,500, right? This big number is at 38,000. Then here it is at 38,500. Very significant difference you will be able to see here. See this big number and this big number, right? All of them are 38,000, 37,500, 38,500, right? So whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, the 500 multiples are very, very important, right? So now let's come back to our topic, what we were talking about. We were looking into the Nifty, right? And we were looking at the current expiry of Nifty. So you see the call unwinding happening here, but there is huge call writing at the strike price of 17,500. That means that's a very crucial level for us, right? If this does not break tomorrow, then we can expect some good movement in the upper direction. Have a look on the other side, on the put side, at the same level of 17,500, 43,000 contracts have been written. Almost like double, right? Double contracts have been written, right? And if you see at this place 17,300 also, we have good number of contracts that have been written. That means the support has been made very, very strong, right? So Nifty is, the major issue is 17,500. Once that is crossed or retested and then gone up, then we can say that the market is going to be heading in the upward direction. Now the next I want to look into the Bank Nifty. What is happening in Bank Nifty in the current expiry? So Bank Nifty also have minimal call writing, 9,000, 9,000, 9,000. That means about 27,000. इसको भी 9,000 ले लेते हैं तो 36,000. And let's have it on this side, 10,000, 13,000, 6,000 and 26,000, right? Definitely it's higher than 36,000 on the other side, right? How much is it? 36 तो यही हो गया, plus 19, 20,000 contracts extra यहाँ पे. So the call writing is lesser than the put writing. So the put writers make the support and call writers make the resistance, right? Always remember, put writers make the support and call writers make the resistance. So where is the resistance? 17,500. Once that is crossed, then it will go up, right? Then it will nicely go up. About Nifty, right? And if you look into the Nifty, 17,500 is the barrier. After this barrier is retested and crossed, after retesting, if it is crossed, we can expect a target of about 17,650. 150 point का move can be surely expected. तो ये तो बात हो गई निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की. अब हम बात करते हैं कि स्टॉक्स में क्या हो रहा है. मेरे रडार पे कुछ बहुत अच्छे स्टॉक्स हैं. उनमें से पहला स्टॉक है PIIND, right? This is a very good stock as of now. Look at this move, right? Consolidation, breakout, then again consolidation, because you know Nifty has been going down for the last few days. And this is where the candle starts, PIND. Here it's written PIND. We have to buy it above 2940. 2940 के ऊपर buy करेंगे. 2835 का हमारा stop loss रहेगा और target हमारा रहेगा 50, 100, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300 points, right? यहाँ तक का हमको surely एक target 100% target मिलेगा. यहाँ से हम चलेंगे तो हमको एक 300, 250, 300 पॉइंट का टारगेट तो यहाँ मिलेगा अगर ये बैरियर क्रॉस हो जाता है, which is 32 to 38, 32.28. Then we can expect a target of 3364, and we got to hold it for at least this expiry, and you can take the December contract, right? And you can hold it for some time and it'll give you a very, very good return. So the PIND is the one stock. The next that I have on my radar is Laurus Lab. So Laurus Lab is also the similar kind of setup. Looks in Laurus. So first it came down, then a big candle, then again 3 candles of profit booking, and then again now it's getting ready to be blasted. कहाँ पे हमको खरीदना है? 498 के ऊपर हमको खरीदना चाहिए, but 498 is not a round figure because 500 पे call actions, call writers will be active. So 500 के ऊपर आपको लेना है स्टॉक को, जिसका नाम है Laurus Lab. टारगेट्स क्या होंगे इसके? 522 का इसका फर्स्ट टारगेट होगा, सेकंड टारगेट इसका होगा 538 का, राइट? दैट्स गोइंग टू बी सेकंड टारगेट. एंड फोर्थ टारगेट इसका होगा 575 का. फोर्थ टारगेट इसका होगा 575 का, राइट? दिस इज वेयर 575 का सेकंड टारगेट होगा, राइट? तो पहला हमें एंट्री कहाँ लेनी है? 500 पे लेनी है. स्टॉप लॉस हमारा क्या होगा? 468 का या 470 का स्टॉप लॉस होगा. टारगेट क्या होगा हमारा? पहला टारगेट है 522 का, फिर 538 का, फिर 575 का. उसके बाद हम जा सकते हैं फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 590, right? That's going to be final target. If it breaks this barrier, it may further go up, right? But journey from here to here is going to be of about 100 points, right? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का जो move है वो 100 points का होगा. So that was my second stock, Laurus Lab, and एक और मैंने आपको बोला PIND. उसके बाद मेरे पास कुछ और stocks हैं. एक Indus Tower, right? Indus Tower is also looking very good to me. So the reason behind this is that this is a consolidation zone, right? Look at the candles, tiny doji, and then this doji, then this doji, and then it had some news, so it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. Still, it made a very high list. It made a high yesterday, but Nifty was under pressure, so this stock also fell. And then above 300 you can buy it. From 300 to a rally of 330 can surely be expected. Our stop loss is going to be 280. 20 पॉइंट्स का स्टॉप लॉस होगा और 50 पॉइंट्स की रैली आई एम एक्सपेक्ट 30 पॉइंट्स की रैली आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग। द रूल इज अगर आपको एक क्लोजिंग कैंडल आपको प्राइस के ऊपर मिलती है तो अपना स्टॉप लॉस आप शिफ्ट कर लिए सेफ जोन में, डोंट कीप सच अ डीप स्टॉप लॉस। ठीक है, तो मैंने आपको क्या क्या बताया, IEX बताया, PIND बताया है और लॉरस लैब, नहीं IEX नहीं बताया मैंने आपको, इंडस टावर बताया, राइट। लॉरस लैब हो गया, इंडस टावर हो गया, PIND हो गया। नेक्स्ट स्टॉक जो मेरे रडार पे है वो है IRCTC। IRCTC दिस इज ऑल्सो इन कंसोलिडेशन जोन, तो हमको इसको कहाँ पे खरीदना है, अभी है ये 892 पे, आज इसने 900 का हाई लगाया, आपको इसको 900 के ऊपर खरीदना है, राइट। इट्स अ गुड स्टॉक एट चीप वैल्यूएशन, राइट। तो हमको इसको कहाँ खरीदना है, 936 पे खरीदना है। फर्स्ट टारगेट हमारा रहेगा 980 का, राइट। नेक्स्ट टारगेट हमारा रहेगा 1000 का, बहुत क्लोज बाय टारगेट रहेगा। उसके बाद हमारा टारगेट रहेगा इसमें 1040 का, राइट। अगर 1000 क्रॉस हो जाता है तो 1040 का, and after 1040 we can expect 1080 और 1100 का टारगेट हम इसमें एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो थोड़े से बोल्ड टारगेट्स हैं, बट knowing the movement of IRCTC, it's very much possible, right? There's no issue about IRCTC. I was reading somewhere IRCTC is the new crypto. So if it is crypto, that means a lot of up and down will take place. But I think right now stock is consolidating. But once it gives a breakout, a target of 1100 can surely be expected, right? So that is IRCTC, right? दो और स्टॉक है मेरे radar पे, Mindtree and Mphasis, right? Mindtree and Mphasis. So Mindtree को हमको कहाँ पे खरीदा? अच्छा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कल जो है ना IT चलने वाला है। IT के सारे स्टॉक्स देखो आप लोअर लेवल से रिटर्न हुए, राइट। चाहे वो Mindtree हो चाहे Mphasis हो, a lot of buying has come into IT stocks. So let me just have a look. LTI, LTTS, and then have a look at TCS. All of them have recovered from the lower levels, right? TechM को भी देख लेते हैं. TechM is also recovered. HCL Tech को भी देख लेते हैं. OFSS को भी देख लेते हैं. So at least we get a broader perspective. It's negative, right? But recovered from the lower levels. That's important to notice. Similarly, HCL Tech को देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है HCL Tech में. Where is HCL Tech? Here. HCL Tech is also recovered from the lower levels. So that means IT is recovering from the lower levels. And इसमें भी मैंने दो stocks अपने radar पे रखे हैं, Mphasis and Mindtree, right? ये Mphasis है, lower level से recover किया है, and our buying opportunity is going to come above 3335, right? 3350, इसके ऊपर हमको खरीदना है, right? And stop loss थोड़ा सा deep होगा तो आपको live market में इसका stop loss you need to make it as small as possible, right? So buy हमको कहाँ करना है, हमको 3335 के ऊपर खरीदना है और फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 3490, राइट। ये पूरा डिस्टेंस आपको कवर करने को मिलेगा, मतलब कि करीब 65 पॉइंट्स वहां पे और 92 पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे। सो 155 पॉइंट्स आपको ये डिस्टेंस कवर करने को मिलेगा, और अगर 150 ये भी क्रॉस हो जाता है देन यू कैन श्योरली एक्सपेक्ट 3670 का टारगेट या 3650 का टारगेट आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, राइट। इसी तरह एक और स्टॉक है मेरे रडार पे, Mindtree Limited, right? Mindtree is also looking very good as of now. The way it recovered was a very powerful recovery. So 4880 के ऊपर हम इसको buy करेंगे for a target of 5000 for sure, right? Stop loss अभी थोड़ा सा deep है, but once the market begins, you can make shorten your stop loss to about 50 points. So these are my stocks, guys, and remain connected wherever you want. You can have a look at the kind of stocks that I have given. Raymond's I've given it for a buy, 532 पे दिया था, I made a high of 5602, right? Similarly, I've given a buy on Glenmark, right? This was the stock I had given, 478 पे buy दिया था, 528 का हाई लगाया, right? Granules का buy दिया था 310 पे, इसने हाई लगाया 315 का। VDL का दिया था, VDL also given a good breakout, right? So remain here. You will surely be benefited from my research, and please request you to share my YouTube channel, my Twitter handle with all your friends, right? Because the kind of quality research I'm doing for you, no one else will do, right? And you have my Twitter handle. This is my Twitter handle. This is my Telegram handle, and this is my YouTube channel, right? So I'm expecting a very, very good response from you all. Really, support Stock Pro so that we can reach out to more and more members. So with this, I'm signing off, and all the best, and remain connected. Tomorrow we are conducting the live trading session, right? Tomorrow we are conducting live trading session. So please join us and make money along with us. So I'm going to be conducting a live trading session tomorrow. See you there, guys. All the best, and take care of Corona as of now. It's not gone away. Use mask, and please really follow the Corona etiquettes. Bye bye. Take care. Good day, and take care of your family. All the best.